Can I pursue payment for motorcycle repairs through the other driver's insurance? Yes. If the other driver may be legally responsible for the crash, you can usually open a third-party property damage claim with that driver's insurance company. The insurer will normally review fault, confirm coverage, and inspect or value the motorcycle damage before agreeing to pay. To move the claim forward, gather the crash report information, photos, repair estimates, towing and storage bills, ownership documents, and any insurance information from the other driver. If you do not have a claim number yet, call the insurance company with the crash date, location, driver information, vehicle information, and police report number and ask whether a claim has been opened. Keep notes of every call. Be careful with recorded statements, especially if fault is disputed or you were injured, because a property damage call can turn into a discussion about liability. Also remember that talking with an adjuster does not prove the insurer accepts responsibility, and it usually does not extend any lawsuit deadline. In North Carolina, many injury or property damage claims have a 3-year deadline, but the exact deadline can depend on the facts. If the insurer is silent, fault is disputed, or you were hurt, get legal advice before relying on the insurance process alone.